What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. How to change your air filter in the 2000 to 2005 Honda Civic. First thing you want to do is order the right filter. I go with the Denso. Denso's a good product. Alright? That's the item number or the model number, whatever you're looking for. I get these comments all the time. Alright? You're going to grab yourself a socket. You're going to get yourself an 8mm. Then you want to back off the nuts around the case here, the cover. All right, make sure you keep your bolts together so you don't lose them. Just try to get this focused for you. Once you get all 6 of them out, and this lifts right out, okay? Put this aside. What you're gonna do is you're gonna reach in here and grab this whole thing out. Oh, look, I got some leaves in here. Look at that. Wow. Let me show you this real quick. So I'm gonna blow all that out. Let me get you back in place here. And then we're going to just place the filter in. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at the back side of this. All right, so I'm going to take my time and get some of this out. I don't want it getting into the engine. Now that it's all cleaned out, you're just going to grab your air filter. I'm going to put this baby back in place. And you're going to put your cover back on top. Make sure the back of your cover's clean. And you're going to continue to put the 6 bolts back in. Once you tighten them all down, that's it. That's how you replace an air filter in a 2000 to 2005 Honda Civic. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.